Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Designs. This video about office party outfit ideas with one shoulder t-shirt. The office party dress directed by David Grant and starring Annie Lang Johnny Briggs. The, the area would it depict the misadventure to staff enjoying an office party where a blue movie is one of the main attractions. The hardcore export version also exists during the making of the film. Grant got into a furious row with Johnny Briggs after Briggs refused to appear all the film. Briggs feared such exposure should damage his reputation, and a furious Grant threatened to fire him after the intervention by Briggs. Again, a compared was reached and Briggs performed the officiating party. Therefore it is the office party popular